That's okay, guys. I have played process of elimination with this evap leak. I've capped off both lines. Well, I capped off, and there's no leak with both lines capped off, so I capped off individual line. Now, with this line capped off, everything stops. This goes to the fuel tank. All right, let me show y'all something. You see my ball still trying to drop. It will not drop. All right, I got to see that. Guys, I see this. Now, I don't see no smoke, puffing up right here, but remember, guys, the evap system is pressurizing the fuel tank as well. If I'm seeing leak, this is a fuel pump / sending unit. If it's leaking internally, guys, this is your problem. We keep getting a small evap leak, and it's pointing toward this because I can see this housing starting to leak, guys. This is your problem. Even though you don't see smoke, I guarantee you it's coming from here, guys. All right, let me try to sell these fuel pumps. All right, sure, guys, y'all see this partial fuel pump? Okay, secondary fuel pump, guys. This is the one I had that was failing at P0456 small evap leak, and took this off. I ran a smoke test. I didn't get smoke through here, but I'm getting my ball not dropping, so I'm getting leak through here. And if you take a close look at this. Yes, guys, the fuel tank is part of the evap system. You cannot have leaks even in the fuel tank, okay? Or you may fail the evap leak fuel system test, okay? So in order to fix that, it's obviously leaking through the housing. And there's an O-ring in between there, but I didn't want to change just doing an O-ring. It's highly unlikely the problem is just the O-ring. So I got a whole new fuel pump assembly for this thing. All right, so we're gonna put this in and re-smoke test it, air test it, and see what happens, guys. That should take care of the problem.